Hello, I'm Dr. Gwyndaf and I'm a lecturer in cell biology at Bangor University and I work in the School of Medical Sciences. I'm also the program lead for our foundation course, which we've developed for students who don't have the entry requirements for our degree programs, or possibly for students who have taken some time away from education and are looking to refresh their memories and build their confidence before they start their degrees proper. The aim of the foundation year is to prepare you for our degree programs. And so we've included the aspects of biology and chemistry that we know that you'll need later on in your studies. You'll also be taught academic numeracy and laboratory skills and aspects of human physiology and the history of medicine. Most importantly, whatever your background before you joined us, I can guarantee you that you will leave us with an increased self-confidence and you'll be looking forward to succeed in your degrees in the future. One of the advantages of studying at Bangor University is its relatively small size, which means your lecturers can't help but get to know you, which means it's really easy for you to get support and help whenever you need it. We've also good modern teaching laboratories, and several of our team have active research interests, which they are sure to tell you about during the course of their lectures. Lecturers from medical sciences have either been nominated for or have been awarded prizes for the quality of their teaching, which isn't a surprise to me because Bangor is one of the few universities in the UK that holds the Gold TEF Award for the consistent delivery of outstanding teaching, learning and outcomes for students. So if this course sounds like it's what you've been looking for and you'd like to find out more about it, then please get in touch by using the contact details on our webpage.